In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Google on an Amazon Fire TV stick so that you could search the web directly from your TV. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by actually going over to your apps section all the way over here right before the settings gear. Scroll down a little bit and open up the internet option, and it's going to open up Amazon Silk. If you don't already have the internet browser installed, go ahead and install one through the App Store first. But once the browser is opened up, what you're going to want to do is use your remote to move to the menu up at the top of the screen. You should see a little settings option all the way down here. So select options, hit settings, and then from here, you're going to see a few different options. You're going to want to go into your advanced settings, open that up, and then from here, go down to the search engine option, open it up, and make sure it's on Google. This will make Google your default search engine inside the browser. It's very similar to something else. Back out though, and then what you're going to want to do is back out again, and this time go into accessibility and open it up. And from here, go ahead and change the zoom level if needed. I like to keep mine at 100, but 110 is also pretty good. But from here, go back and you're going to want to start using this little like search bar right here. And as soon as you search anything on here, for example, I'll search for myself. And as you can see, we are on Google just like so. I'll put this onto YouTube just to show that this does work, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.